Hey, look what we got. Look at this. Eggplant, right? Melanzane. That's right. That's how we say it in Italian. Melanzane. That's an eggplant. That's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be doing eggplant with pasta and some pomodoro, some red dried tomatoes, sliced eggplant. And I want you to come on over and take a look at this. In here is some basil, okay? Garlic, a little bit of butter, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, okay? And a little bit of olio, olive oil, oleo. So I got that going there right there, and over here we got some pasta that's already been cooking, and it's ready to go. Okay, this is the eggplant I chopped up into these little bitty pieces like this. Okay, and this is the way I think you should do it, like this. And then of course we got the pomodoro, the red dried tomatoes. So come on over here. I want to show you something now. Here's how we're going to do this. Come on. Now she's going, look at that. Can we look down in there? Are we looking in there? Watch this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some eggplant in there. Not so much, just a little bit. Stir it around there, get it going, just like so. And I want you to do whatever you want to do that's enough for you. You're going to ask me, how much butter did you put in there? How much salt? How much pepper? It's all up to you. My mother used to cook like this, and she really never had, she never went with this much and that much. It was just how she felt about it. You know what I mean? So that's how I'm doing all my stuff, because you know what? It's working out real good, and I love it. So let's get down in here, take a look at that, and we'll talk about it a little more in a second. Woo! Marrone, marrone. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? Now, this is just this simple, folks. Look at this. Watch this. We can see this, right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to just put the pasta, and by the way, this is wheat pasta we're using today. We're not using the flour pasta. We're using whole wheat. This is whole wheat. And we're going to go and mix it in just like this. And you put in as much as you want, just to whatever amount of pomodoro, garlic, basil that you've been cooking down there. And like I said, there's no recipe on this, and then you go to stir it up just like this. Are you in there? Can you see that? Look at this. Look. Okay. It's right here. Oh my gosh. This is going to be insane. This is going to be insane. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Let that cook like that a little bit. Okay, now we're going to get some Romano cheese, and we're going to sprinkle some Romano on the top like this. Look, right on top of the eggplant and the red, sun-dried tomatoes. Look at that. All over the pasta, the eggplant, the olive oil, the garlic. Oh, marron. You tell me. You tell me. All right. We're there. So now let's go ahead and put this in the bowl back here. Okay, we're ready to go. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. So it's going to go right in here just like this. Look how beautiful that looks. Bella. Look at Bella. Look. This is how you serve it up just like that. Like I say, add on your other ingredients. I'm going to put a little Parmigiano on top again, just like so. Just like this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And then just a few of these pomodoro, the red dried tomatoes, just for garnish, you know what I mean? So you put it up on top like that, and then I'm going to do some basilico. My mother used to call it basilico. It's basil, sweet basil. You put this on top just like this. Look at that. Oh my God. Huh? One more. I got to have one more in there. Look at that. Look at it. Buon appetit, huh? Ciao for now. Benedica. And arrivederci from Vito's Italian Cucina.